it, and it's got sealed primers and all, so it's military good.
Is it 115 or?
Yeah, I think so.
I got some 124.
That's what I shot a while ago with the 124 hollow point.
Everything I've got here is a 115.
Yeah, that's what I was shooting a while ago. That's what I usually carry is that 124 hollow point.
Hey, there we go. I was lucky first time. That's a good shot. Get your thumb right. Get your thumb right. Now you broke the damn target.
No, you didn't. It just jumped off. I can get it.
Well, run out there and get it, Donnie.
Yeah, right. I'll do that tomorrow. That's right.
I just got mine. I would have brought you one.
Have at it, bud.
Right there by
That's a month's worth of my ammo budget.
49. I missed one. 49. You missed one. Pretty good first one. Shot and I told you, where's my 25? Use CCI Blazer. CCI 115. I found that Winchester over there on the ground.
It's similar to they use the grip on the Prodigy or the Hellcat, and then they combine it.
Yeah, that's right. Up here where you about. It just come out.
Yeah. I hit probably 50.
Don't think about it. The white top's okay. But they are booze.
Yeah. Did you read where you take this off?
Yeah, I see. I'll see that.
It's got little pins in the pocket.
Go ahead. Yeah, I kind of read that too.
Alrighty.
I might have to break bad one day, but I don't have any pistols that
And supposedly, this thing's modular.
I would say, in my opinion, I don't know. You would agree with that? I mean, I like Holliston and stuff too, but theirs ain't quite as low price as Vortex is.
I don't know. I like that Walmart Super Blaster. No, I'm just kidding. No, you're right. I like the Vortex. They're hard
I
to
got a
beat.
Vortex on 3 guns. I got a Holliston on 2 guns. I got a Siemens.
don't shoot it.